I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video. In this video, I'll take you on a journey through some of the most picturesque beaches in France, capturing their beauty and stunning 4 Kelvin resolution. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. As we stroll along the Promenade des Anglais, you'll see the crystal clear waters of the Mediterranean and the iconic Pebble Beach.
If you want to see the hottest video cards of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Our final stop is the gorgeous island of Corsica, known for its rugged landscapes, crystal clear waters, and secluded beaches. We'll visit the stunning Palombaga Beach with its turquoise waters and soft, white sand. Throughout our journey, you'll hear the sounds of the waves, feel the sea breeze on your skin, and see the stunning vistas of the French coast. I hope this video inspires you to explore these breathtaking beaches for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below with your favorite beach or travel destination in France. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with my latest travel content. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour of the most picturesque beaches in France. I'll see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!